Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. How are you? I know you are enjoying to see the video. Am I right? Okay. Before starting the lesson, please make happy faces like this. Are you happy? Yes. Now start the lesson. Let's. Letter of the day is M. This is capital M and this is small m. This is capital M and this is small m, and its phonic is Okay, very soft voice. Do you know which fruit is this? This fruit is called king of the fruit and its name is mango. Its name is mango. Mango begins with phonic mango. Mango. Okay. Now I have one more thing. Look at this. This one. And this one also. This is the picture of moon. Moon. We see moon on the sky at night. Okay, at night. Moon begins with phonic moon. Moon. Okay. Next friend is, what is it? It lives in jungle. It always hangs from one tree to another tree, and it is a naughty animal. Now tell me, what is it? Monkey. Monkey begins with phonic monkey. Monkey. Okay. What is this? Who is she? Mama. Mama begins with phonic mama. Mama. Okay. This is another mama. Mama. Okay. What is this? This is a mouse. Mouse, and these are Mickey Mouse. Do you like it? Mouse or Mickey Mouse begins with phonic mouse. Mickey Mouse. Okay. Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Okay. Look at this. What is it? Do you know it? Okay, I will tell you. It is magnifier. It is magnifier. We see small particles with the help of magnifier. Look, there are some small particles and we see them with the help of magnifier. Magnifier. Okay. What is this? Mouth. Mouth. Okay. This is also mouth. Mouth begins with phonic mouth. Okay. Now look at this. Do you know what is it? Mat. What is it? Mat. I have one more mat. Look at this. This is also called mat. 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 Okay. Now look at this. What is it? Motorcycle. What is it? Motorcycle. Okay, I have one more picture of motorcycle. Is it beautiful? Motorcycle. Motorcycle. And who is he? He's a mechanic. He's a mechanic. Mechanic begins with phonic. Mechanic. Mechanic. Okay. What is this? This is a market. Market begins with phonic. Market. Market. Okay. Now tell me, what is it? This is mushroom. Mushroom begins with phonic. Mushroom. Okay. Look at this. What is it? This is a mug. This is a mug. This is also a mug. Okay. Mug begins with phonic. Mug. Mug. Okay. Now I have one more thing. Look at this. What is it? Macaronis. Macaronis. These are in raw form and these are in cooked form. Macaronis. Macaronis begins with phonic. Macaronis. Macaronis. Do you like to eat macaronis? I know it's your favorite thing. Okay. Look at this. These are mountains. Mountains. Okay. These are also mountains. Mountain. Mountain. Okay. I have one more thing. Look at this. What is it? This one also. This one also. These are markers. What are these? Markers. Markers begins with phonic. Marker. Okay. I have one more beautiful picture. What is it? This is mosque. Mosque begins with phonic. Mosque. Mosque. Mosque is the holy place for the Muslims. Okay, dear friends, you have seen all the friends of letter M. Which phonic is? Okay, at the end of the lesson, please give a big hand to yourself because you are doing very well and you are waiting for my videos also. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.